Hey guys, it's Alik, Nature with Alik over here in the beautiful Shulman dragon fruit orchard. So today we had the issue with the long time issue with the fungus, and we had to take down one big plant. So basically it was 2 or 3 plants in one 45-gallon container. As you can see, the container is huge, and I just want to show you the root system. How big is the root system when you plant your new plants in the smaller containers? You know, the root system needs to grow. It definitely needs space. So this is just example. You know, that was one of the plants that we cut the bottom roots. Okay, but look at this, how big is the root system. And this takes only half of 45-gallon container, as you can see, and it's still going down. So definitely your plants, in order for them to be green and produce good, they do need lots of space in your container in order to get good soil, good nutrients, and fertilizers. Okay, so this is the root system on another side. Okay, so it was, look at this. Oh wow, still very heavy. So definitely, guys, pay attention to the size of your containers and amount of plants that you're putting. In our Shulman dragon fruit orchards, as you can see, everything nice and green and growing very fast. And the plants are very happy because there is enough space in the container. And every container that you dig, we have the worms, we have the beautiful soil. Look at this nice combination of perlite, rocks, sand, good compost. And every time we add more horse manure compost wherever we need it, and we cover with the mulch, 2-inch mulch. See the worms all over, especially after the last rain, when we added more horse manure. They feel very, very happy, and pretty soon we're gonna see flowers, and we're still harvesting the fruit in February 2025. Okay, so wish you all the best. So make sure, guys, do not overload your containers with plants. I understand it takes money and space to build these trellises and get the containers, but get the biggest container. It'll give you much better support. We can still using the traps to balance it, and definitely 2 or 3 plants is the maximum for 45-gallon container. If people planting in 15-gallon container, you're gonna have very soon, 3-5 years, you're gonna have lots of trouble with them to grow because they don't have enough nutrients and they don't have enough sun space, and as well as the branches needs to be laying down on top of the frame and feel more comfortable. Wish you all the best, guys. Take care. Alik, Nature with Alik.